Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Naturally Netta. In today's video, I will be showing you all how I got this sleek ponytail. Yeah, so if you want to see how I got this lit hair, just keep watching. Okay y'all, so let's get right into the video. I am starting off on freshly washed hair, and I am going to take my fingers and just separate the front from the back with my fingers. I will not be using a comb really for this video. So yeah, next I'm going to take the top and just go ahead and put that in a ponytail. And because I let my hair kind of dry for a bit, I'll spray water to each section of my hair. And then next I'm going to take my African Pride's, I believe this is their curling cream, and I'm going to use this as kind of like my styler or whatever. And this is just going to moisturize my hair. And once that is finished, I'll just go ahead and take my detangle brush and kind of rake all of the product through. And you guys, we're working in sections because we want it to be as smooth as possible. Okay y'all, so then next I'm going to take my Wet Line Extreme Gel. And I'm going to add this to the section. And once that is finished, I'm going to take my detangle brush, detangle again. And then we'll brush it with a regular brush and secure it with a ponytail holder. And you don't have to make this ponytail too tight, only because I will be adding another section to this. But I am working in sections like I said before because we want it to be as flat as possible. Okay, so right here you guys will see me. This is where I'll section off where I want my side part to be. I am using a small rat tail comb. You can use whatever comb you desire. It did take me a little minute to kind of see how I wanted the part, but I knew I wanted a deep side part. So you can really do your part however you want it. I just wanted a deep side part. And then once I get my part kind of where I want it to be, you guys will see me kind of do like a little bang. And I'm parting it like that because I wanted the swoop to kind of lay on my face. So that's why I'm creating like a little bang. Y'all excuse my dandruff. I'm gonna add a little oil. Don't judge me. But yeah, so we want to make like a little bang, and then once we kind of even that off, we'll secure that and get that out the way. And then for my little dandruff, I'm adding my Neo Organics. This is their mint almond oil, just kind of to my little dry patches or whatever. And then so right here you'll see me create the same steps, which will be section my hair off, add the water, the cream, and then the gel. And then what we'll do is we'll secure that to the base ponytail part. So, and you guys, I really recommend doing it on wet hair, adding the cream and adding the gel, because my hair was like super moisturized days later. So it's the winter time. We know that we don't want any breakage or whatever, and we don't want our hair to be dry. So adding the cream and the water before I did the gel was like really beneficial, because like I said, even like the ends of my hair were really moisturized at least for 3 days before I had to wet it and add more product or whatever. And also like the way that this curling cream works with my hair in the water. And then when I add that gel, y'all, it makes me want to do like a wash and go. Y'all know I don't do wash and goes because I just don't like them. But I think I'm gonna do one for y'all. So make sure y'all comment down below and let me know if you guys want to see like a wash and go with this cream and maybe this gel, because I didn't have any white residue either, so that was pretty cool as well. And you want to make sure that you detangle each section after you add your gel, because I'm telling y'all, at the end of this video, my hair was super lit and my curl pattern at the end of my ponytail was super lit. Okay, so once that's all done, we'll brush that with the hard brush, and then after we smooth all of the product out, we'll take the ponytail holder out the base, and then we will add that to the ponytail at the back. Once that's secure, you won't really see me do anything special right here. I'm really just defining my curls with my fingers, and then I'm going in with my 3-row comb just to define the curls a little bit more. You can do this if you're going to wear a curly. If you're not wearing a curly, you can just wrap it around in a bun or whatever. And for this section, y'all, we just repeating the exact same steps. So I'm going to let you guys watch the rest of the video until we get to the front of the bang. Okay, so now we are at the top or whatever, and right here I'm just using my little edge brush to smooth stuff out. And then next I'm going to repeat the exact same steps for the bang, which would be wet, add the cream, and then add the gel. I almost wanted to wear my hair like exactly like this. I think I might do a video like this. So once it's detangled, you guys, you want to put the gel on your roots first and then smooth it through with your detangle brush. And then put it on your tip too, because that part is gonna be left out. You're just gonna smooth that down. So take your hard brush and then we're just smoothing that out. And right here I'm just making my part more straight. And then once I feel like it's smooth enough, I'm going to take my ponytail holder and we're going to secure it. After it's secure, I'm going to do like some little baby swoops on the side. Y'all know I don't know how to do swoops, so it'll be little baby ones. But just to put a little something on the side of, you know, of the ponytail, I guess. And I'm using that pink little edge brush that is at any beauty supply. You can get it from any beauty supply. And also, you guys, I got the gel from Walmart and I got the curling cream from Sally's Beauty Supply. So you can get all of these products from a store. You don't have to really order them offline. Okay, so then now I'm gonna make my little baby sideburns or whatever on each side. Once that's finished, I think I'm going to take my hairspray and I'm going to spray that on my hair just to lay down any flyaways. That is my Got To Be Glue hairspray. And this will lay down any flyaways, and then I'm going to take my scarf I'm going to put my scarf on while I go and do my makeup. And then I'll be right back to show you guys the finished product. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished product. I left my scarf on while I did my makeup. As y'all can see, I got a little bit of curl look going on right here. Changed my earrings, put my clothes on. Thank you guys so much for tuning into the video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. After you subscribe, hit the bell right next to the subscription button. That way you guys can get notifications every time I upload. If God's willing, I will see you all in my next video. I love you.